6 best AI tools in 2026. In 2026, AI tools are no longer just nice to have. They are becoming part of everyday work, writing, research, coding, video creation, design, businesses, planning, and even full workflow automation. But with so many tools out there, which ones are actually worth using? Today we are counting down the top 6 best AI tools in 2026 based on usefulness, popularity, and real-world impact. Number 6. Runaway if you create videos, ads, short films, social media content, or product visuals. Runaway is one of the strongest AI tools to watch in 2026. Runaway's newer Gen 4 models focus on generating consistent characters, objects, and locations across scenes, which is a huge step forward for AI video creators. What makes Runaway powerful is that it helps creators move from idea to visual scene much faster. Instead of needing a full camera crew, expensive locations, and days of editing, you can generate cinematic shots from prompts, images, or reference material. It is not perfect yet, especially for complex physics or long scenes, but for creators who need fast visuals, concepts, short clips, and experimental storytelling. Runaway is one of the best AI video tools in 2026. Number 5. Midjourney. For image generation, Midjourney remains one of the most popular choices. It is especially strong for artistic visuals, concept art, thumbnails, posters, fantasy scenes, product inspiration, and social media graphics. Midjourney describes itself as an independent research lab focused on expanding human imagination, and that creative first identifier shows in the style of its outputs. The reason Midjourney is still a top tool in 2026 is simple. The images often look beautiful right away. Many AI image tools can follow instructions, but Midjourney is known for mood, atmosphere, lighting, and visual impact. If you are a YouTuber, designer, marketer, author, or creative entrepreneur, Midjourney can help you turn raw ideas into professional-looking visuals within minutes. Number 4. Cursor. Cursor is one of the best AI tools for developers in 2026. It is an AI-powered code editor designed to help you write, edit, debug, and understand code faster. Cursor positions itself as a way to become extraordinarily productive while coding, and it has become popular because the AI is built directly into the development environment. Instead of copying code into a chatbot and then pasting it back into your project, Cursor can understand your code base, suggest changes, explain bugs, and help build features across multiple files. For beginners, it can act like a coding tutor. For professionals, it can speed up repetitive development work. In 2026, coding is no longer just about writing every line manually. It is increasingly about knowing what to build, how to guide the AI, and how to review the result. Number 3. Perplexity. Perplexity is one of the best AI research tools. Unlike a normal chatbot, Perplexity is built around search, answers, and citations. Its own site describes it as a free AI-powered answer engine that gives accurate, trusted, real-time answers. This makes it extremely useful for students, writers, analytics, marketers, and anyone who needs quick research with sources. Instead of opening 10 tabs and comparing articles manually, you can ask Perplexity a question and get a summarized answer with links to where the information came from. The biggest advantage is trust. AI can make mistakes, so having citations matters. Perplexity is not a replacement for careful research, but it is one of the fastest ways to get an overview of a topic, discover sources, compare viewpoints, and start a project with better context. Number 2, Claude. Claude, made by Anthropic, is one of the strongest AI assistants for writing, reasoning, coding, document work, and complex thinking. Anthropic says Claude Opus 0.6 performs strongly across agentic coding, computer use, tool use, search, and finance. Claude Code also helps developers work inside terminals, IDEs, desktop apps, web, iOS, and Slack. Claude is especially loved by people who write long documents, analyze text, create strategies, summarize information, or work through complicated problems. It often feels careful, structured, and thoughtful. For businesses, users, researchers, developers, and writers, Claude is one of the most reliable AI tools in 2026. Number one, ChatGPT. At number one is ChatGPT. The reason is versatility. ChatGPT can help with writing, brainstorming, coding, studying images, ideas, data analysis, planning, translation, and everyday problem solving. In May 2026, upgraded ChatGPT's default model to ChatGPT 5.5 instead with improvements in accuracy, personalization, and fewer hallucinations. ChatGPT is the best overall AI tool because it fits so many use cases. A student can use it to understand a topic, a creator can use it to write scripts, a business owner can use it to make marketing, a developer can use it to debug code, a professional can use it to summarize documents, draft emails, or organize ideas. So those are the top 6 AI tools in 2026. Runaway for video, Midjourney for images, Cursor for coding, Perplexity for research, Claude for deep thinking and writing, and ChatGPT as the best all-around AI assistant. If you want to stay ahead in 2026, don't try to use everyday AI tool. Start with one or two that match your work, learn them deeply, and use them every day. That is how you turn AI from a trend into a real advantage. Bye bye.